In this video, I'm going to show you why 99% actually fail to make $1 online. What is up, everybody? Dimitris Kiadas here. Welcome to another video. I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope you are thriving in business and in life. And in this video, I want to talk about failure. Yes, I want to talk about failure. Although everybody is talking about success, making money online, traveling the world, villas, parties, Lamborghinis, yachts, and I don't know, everything else like that. But I see so many people that they want to get started online, and it's much easier than it used to be like 5 or 10 years or even 15 years ago. So I started back in 2009, and Facebook ads or Shopify wasn't a thing. So it was much more difficult back then to start making money online. And don't get me wrong, there were still marketers that they were thriving. Nowadays, with YouTube, which still back in 2010, it wasn't as popular as it is today, and it didn't have as many videos as it has today. So I get so many messages from 16 years old, 14 years old, 17 years old, that people, guys that they want, and girls, a few girls, but majority of them guys, that they want to quit school, or they start to try to make things work with drop shipping or with affiliate marketing. So usually they reach out to me and tell me, hey man, I tried this one and it failed, and I see all these people making money. What do I need to do? And how can I change my life? And the reality is that you have to go through a lot of failure before you start making money. So I know that it might be difficult. I know that you might get discouraged. Like we have this client, for example, that did $23 million in the last 90 days. But before he got started and reached that level, he failed a lot. He lost a lot of money, he lost a lot of time, and he failed a lot on campaigns, on advertising, on product testing, and all the things that you don't see. There's a reason why in the backdrop I have, as a background, I have that iceberg where it says at the top success, but below, what you don't see inside the water is perseverance, uncertainty, hard work, sacrifice, and late nights, weekends, blood and tears. So majority of the people, they see and focus only on the success. Yes, success needs to be your number one goal, but in order to be really successful, you have to go ahead and try a lot of shit that they won't work. You have to have a lot of failures. And as I always like to be honest with people, I failed a lot. I've lost a lot of time, I've lost a lot of money. I tried to make big moves that they were like bad moves. I thought that I was going to make a lot of money, and I lost a lot of money. But you know what? One thing that I have as a person is I have developed a never give up attitude and never give up mentality. So I've lost a lot of time, I've lost a lot of money trying to make things work. And before, I had that mentality where I said, oh man, I lost so much money, and what do I do right now? And that sucks, and I just want to make money, The reality is that when I shifted my mindset from okay, how do I make money into how do I serve more people, money started pouring into my life. I started asking the right questions, and I started getting all the right answers because I was asking the right questions. So when you focus 100% only on money, you're not going to get it. You need to focus on what is that you have. Is it like an income store? Are you a consultant? Are you a coach? Are you running ads? You need to focus on what is your best skill, what is your best ability in order to provide all these things outside to the world and give value. People give you their money for your value. So either you have an actual product that you're selling, a small brand, or either you're drop shipping, or even if you are an affiliate marketer, either you are a consultant, you have an offer, you have a product, you have a service that you need to sell out to the world. This is your best bet. This is where you need to focus 100% of your time. You need to find the right keys. You need to find what is the benefit of someone using your product, your service, your offer, whatever that is. So in order to be successful, you have to develop 3 different habits. The first habit, let's say it's a habit, it's a never give up attitude. No matter what happens, I can tell you right now that there are big brands out there, big coaches that they've made like a lot of mistakes, they've made a lot of money. Don't you see that all you see is the good stuff, is the good side, the traveling and shit like that? Majority of our time we spend it here in our office, taking calls, working many hours. Yes, money is good. Yes, we travel the world. Yes, we do some good stuff for our families. But honestly, it's just 20% what you see the fun time. The unfun time, the not so fun time, is 80% grinding here in the office and actually getting to provide value for people. Okay, if I don't get to take the time to educate myself, to run ads, or to see what's not working, and to actually help one of my consulting clients, where do we go from here? If I don't take the time to write better ad copy, to have the product video being shot right here, or whatever is it that you need, that I need to do in order to grow a brand or to grow my own consulting training business, if I don't get to do many good videos that get to provide value. So if I try to tell you, hey, give me money because I'm Dimitris and I just want your money, you'll say, fuck off, dude. No one is ever going to give me money like that. But if I get to provide value, if I get to actually help you, you might consider becoming one of my consulting clients. So the second habit that you need to develop is consistency. Okay, so let's say that you want to learn to play the guitar. All right, so if I want to learn to play the guitar and I take a brand new guitar and I spend 8 hours in a full single day, or let's say 16 hours in a weekend, and I'm go like this and I start learning, and then I start seeing that, okay, I can play a few notes, maybe I can play a few chords or something like that, but then I leave it somewhere else, like for 2 months, and then I go grab the guitar again to start playing. What do you believe that I will remember? I won't remember shit. Like my fingers right here won't be able to grasp and to start playing. So whatever that you do is that you need to do it consistently. Let's say that I want to lose weight. If I go ahead, because I've done that in the past, so I started losing weight and I did that like for 3 months. Then I let myself go and I started eating shit again. What do you think happened after 2 or 3 months? I gained the weight back. So the result was not there anymore because I stopped doing consistently what I needed to do. So exercise and dieting, or if you are not saying, if we don't want to say dieting, like good nutrition. So whatever you do, you need to develop that and do it consistently every single day. It's more preferable if you have only 1 hour per day to do something every single day for 1 hour than to get once per month and spend like 10 hours in it. And the habit number 3 that you need to develop is you need to develop, keep learning, keep educating, keep investing in yourself, and keep having, I would say number 4, but having your mindset in the right place. This is why majority of the people fail, because they want to make money quickly. And don't get me wrong, this is the exact same thing I wanted. I wanted to make money. Do you know, go out there in the streets today and ask 100 people, every single one of them, they will tell you that, yes, I want more money. But people are lazy. We are fucking lazy. We are fucking lazy motherfuckers. Okay, so if we don't get to put in the work, how we are supposed to make money? So you need to put in the work and you need to develop the habit of learning new skills, being there, being consistent, and not only learning new skills that are going to get you better. No matter what you do, you either do affiliate marketing, you either a coach or consultant, you run an agency, you have an info training business, you run an e-commerce brand, you have a software as a service. No matter what you do, you need to become better at your craft. So every single day, learn something new, either by reading, learning through a course, or from a YouTube video, from a podcast, whatever that is, or learning by actually doing the things and maybe failing. Okay. And tip number 4, that probably should be number 1, is the mindset. We have other videos that we've talked about mindset. If you want, check out my story so you can see what were the habits that I need to develop in order to become who I am today, and I'm still developing myself. Check out my story. But I can tell you that right now, mindset and belief in yourself is the number 1 thing that you need to focus. So if you're failing, if you keep failing, don't worry. It's normal. It's part of the process. It doesn't mean that you're losing money. Nobody likes losing money in campaigns that they didn't work. But develop the habit, develop the mindset of saying, okay, I found something that didn't work this time, so I'm getting closer to finding something that will work. I hope that you really like this video. Please do me a favor and subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below if you are facing any difficulties. I love reading the comments and I love responding to all the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.